Welcome, ocean explorers, to the abyssal depths where sunlight fades and mysterious creatures thrive. We stand on the precipice of a world unlike any other, a realm that begins where sunlight has no reach, a place of extreme pressure, bone-chilling temperatures, and eternal darkness. This is the deep sea, a world that may seem inhospitable to us, but one that is teeming with life. Yes, life, against all odds, has found a way to adapt, to survive, and to thrive in these seemingly impossible conditions. From microscopic bacteria to gigantic squid, the deep sea is home to a fascinating array of creatures, each more intriguing than the last. And each one of these extraordinary beings has a story to tell, a story of resilience, of adaptation, and of survival against all odds. Join me on an abyssal odyssey as we unveil the wonders of deep-sea creatures, the enigmatic inhabitants of Earth's most inaccessible realms. The deep sea is a realm of perpetual darkness, and here, light becomes a language. Far beyond the reach of the sun's rays, the deep sea's inhabitants have developed an extraordinary method of communication and survival: bioluminescence. This is the process by which organisms produce and emit light, a spectacle that transforms the deep sea into a mesmerizing light show. In this alien-like environment, bioluminescence is more than just a beautiful display. It is a vital adaptation for survival. Creatures such as the flashlight fish use their bioluminescent organs to navigate the darkness, while others, like the viperfish, use their glowing lure to attract and ambush prey. Even more fascinating is the use of light for communication. The bobtail squid, for example, forms a symbiotic relationship with bioluminescent bacteria, which it uses to blend in with the moonlit ocean surface, thus avoiding predators. From glowing jellyfish to anglerfish with lure-like appendages, these adaptations help them navigate, communicate, and hunt in the inky blackness. Deep-sea legends often involve colossal creatures, and the giant squid is no myth, it's a mythical reality. This magnificent denizen of the deep, with its tentacled silhouette and enormous size, has been the subject of human fascination and maritime lore for centuries. The giant squid, or Architeuthis, is a deep-sea dweller that has been seldom seen by human eyes. Its elusive nature and formidable size have made it a creature of legend, inspiring tales of sea monsters like the kraken. Yet despite its mythical status, the giant squid is very real. It possesses the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, the size of basketballs, enabling it to see in the extreme darkness of its deep-sea home. Its tentacles, armed with hundreds of suction cups, can reach extraordinary lengths, making it one of the largest predators in the ocean. With eyes the size of basketballs and tentacles that can reach extraordinary lengths, the giant squid is a mysterious giant that roams the depths, eluding human observation for centuries. Descending deeper, we encounter a living fossil, the enigmatic vampire squid. This captivating creature hails from the Twilight Zone, a realm shrouded in eternal dusk. The vampire squid, despite its menacing moniker, is not a bloodsucker. It's a harmless drifter, feeding on marine snow, organic debris that continually falls from the surface waters. The vampire squid is a marvel of adaptation. Its large globular eyes, the largest in proportion to its body size among all animals, are finely tuned to detect the faintest glimmers of light in the deep dark sea. Its cloak-like webbing, stretching between 8 arms, gives it a ghostly silhouette and allows it to wrap itself up like a living burrito when threatened. The vampire squid is a unique creature that represents a bridge between squid and octopus, two distinct groups of cephalopods. It's an evolutionary relic, a remnant from a time when the ancestors of today's squid and octopus diverged from a common ancestor. With its webbed arms and cloak-like structure, it showcases the marvels of evolution. Deep-sea ecosystems are not just dark and cold, they're also home to some of the planet's most extreme environments like hydrothermal vents. These vents, often referred to as the chimneys of the deep, are geologic formations where mineral-rich superheated water surges from the seafloor. It's a harsh, alien environment where the pressure is extreme, temperatures can soar above 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water is teeming with toxic chemicals. Yet, in this seemingly inhospitable setting, life not only exists, but flourishes. The vents are bustling with a diversity of life that rivals even the most vibrant coral reefs. This is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. At the heart of these communities are bacteria that have evolved to feed on the chemicals in the vent fluid, a process known as chemosynthesis. These bacteria form the basis of a food chain that supports a host of unique species. Tube worms, for instance, can grow up to 8 feet in length and live in symbiosis with these bacteria. They lack a mouth or a digestive tract and rely on the bacteria living inside them to convert the chemicals into nutrients. Giant clams and mussels also thrive here, filtering the water for edible particles. And then there are the countless other creatures, crabs, shrimps, and an assortment of fish, all specially adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Strange tube worms, giant clams, and unique bacteria form intricate communities sustained by the chemicals in the vent fluid. Meet the phantom of the abyss, the gulper eel, a creature that looks like it stepped out of a dream. This elusive deep-sea wonder, also known as the pelican eel, is one of the most peculiar inhabitants of the deep sea. Its most striking feature is an enormous mouth, seemingly oversized for its slender body, which can open wide enough to swallow prey larger than itself. The gulper eel's distinctive characteristic doesn't end with its gaping mouth. Its lower jaw is attached to the body by a flexible hinge, allowing it to stretch and accommodate large meals. And when it's not busy gobbling up its catch, the gulper eel can condense its body to a surprisingly compact size. But the mysteries of the gulper eel aren't just skin deep. Its long, whip-like tail is tipped with a bioluminescent organ, which it likely uses as a lure to attract unsuspecting prey. As it drifts in the pitch-black abyss, it glows eerily, a phantom light in the infinite dark. The gulper eel's peculiarities illustrate the remarkable adaptability of life in the deep sea. It's a realm where the bizarre becomes ordinary, and the extraordinary becomes the standard. Each creature, each adaptation, is a testament to the relentless inventiveness of evolution. The gulper eel, with its enormous mouth and ability to stretch its stomach to accommodate large prey, is a testament to the strange and wonderful adaptations of deep-sea creatures.